Have you ever felt like your body isn't as resilient as it used to be? Perhaps you've noticed that aches and pains seem to linger longer, or that your energy doesn't quite last throughout the day like it once did. It's something many of us face as we grow older, and sometimes it feels like there's not much we can do about it. But what if I told you there was a simple, affordable, and surprisingly effective way to help tackle several common health problems? The answer might just be sitting in your kitchen: baking soda. Now, I know what you're probably thinking. Baking soda? Isn't that just for baking cakes or cleaning? Well, yes, it is, but it turns out that this humble powder can do wonders for your health when used correctly. In this video, we're going to explore how you, as a senior, can use baking soda to address 13 health issues that may be affecting you. Trust me, you'll want to stick around for all of them. So, why is this important? Well, as we age, our bodies sometimes need a little extra help to keep running smoothly. Whether it's due to joint pain, indigestion, or even just general discomfort, finding natural and accessible ways to stay healthy becomes more crucial than ever. Baking soda is one of those hidden gems that not only has multiple uses, but can also help improve your quality of life in some surprising ways. Let's begin with the first benefit. One of the most common complaints I hear from older adults is heartburn or indigestion. You know that uncomfortable burning sensation in your chest? Or maybe you've had a sour stomach after a heavy meal. It's more common than you think. But the good news is that baking soda can be a lifesaver for this issue. Baking soda works as an antacid, which means it can neutralize the acid in your stomach, providing relief from the discomfort of heartburn. The best part? It's an easy remedy. Simply mix half a teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water and drink it down. It'll help balance your stomach's pH and soothe that burning sensation. Just make sure to avoid overuse, as too much can have the opposite effect. A simple remedy when you need it most. Now, let's talk about another issue that many seniors face: joint pain. Whether it's arthritis or general aches and pains, it can sometimes feel like there's no end to the discomfort. And while there are plenty of treatments out there, many come with high costs or side effects that we don't want to deal with. Well, here's where baking soda can step in again. Baking soda has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce swelling and ease the pain in your joints. You can create a simple soak by adding a cup of baking soda to a warm bath. Soaking in the warm water with the baking soda can help relieve stiffness, soothe the muscles, and even improve circulation. If a full bath isn't an option, you can also make a paste with baking soda and water and apply it directly to painful areas. It's a natural, inexpensive solution that can bring comfort without the need for strong medications. Now, let's move on to another issue that often arises as we age: our skin. Skin becomes thinner, more fragile, and prone to irritation, especially with the changing seasons. Sometimes the simple things like dry patches or rashes can become bothersome. But once again, baking soda comes to the rescue. Baking soda's mild, abrasive quality makes it a great exfoliant. It helps to gently slough off dead skin cells, making your skin feel smoother and more refreshed. If you're dealing with itchy, dry skin, you can create a paste with baking soda and water and gently apply it to the affected areas. It can help soothe the skin and even relieve rashes or sunburns. Just be sure to test it on a small area first to make sure it doesn't irritate your skin.
Now that we've covered heartburn, joint pain, and skin irritation, let's move on to another health concern that many seniors deal with: kidney health. As we age, our kidneys may not function quite as efficiently as they once did, and this can lead to issues like kidney stones. Kidney stones can be painful and are often a result of an imbalance of minerals in the body. But did you know that baking soda can help prevent and even break down kidney stones? It's true. Baking soda helps neutralize acid in the body, which is important because high acid levels can contribute to the formation of kidney stones. By maintaining a more balanced pH level in your body, baking soda can reduce the risk of stones forming and can even help dissolve smaller ones. To use baking soda for kidney health, simply mix half a teaspoon in a glass of water and drink it daily. Of course, it's always a good idea to check with your doctor before starting any new health regimen, especially if you've had kidney problems in the past. Speaking of water, let's talk about hydration. As we age, our sense of thirst can diminish, and we may not drink enough water to stay properly hydrated. Dehydration can lead to a whole host of problems, from dry skin to constipation to fatigue. A simple trick that involves baking soda can help encourage hydration in a healthy way. Adding a small amount of baking soda to your water, just a pinch, is an excellent way to improve the taste and make it a bit more appealing. Baking soda helps balance the pH of the water, making it more alkaline, which can be easier on your stomach and help you drink more throughout the day. It's a small addition that can make a big difference in how much water you consume, which in turn helps with overall hydration and energy levels. Now let's discuss another health issue that affects many seniors: bad breath. We all know how unpleasant it can be to deal with bad breath, especially when it's persistent. It can affect your confidence and even your social interactions. The good news? Baking soda can help freshen your breath naturally. Baking soda works as a gentle abrasive that helps scrub away the particles and bacteria in your mouth that cause bad breath. It also helps neutralize odors, leaving your mouth feeling fresher. You can simply use baking soda as a toothpaste alternative or mix it with water to create a mouthwash. Swishing the mixture around in your mouth for about 30 seconds can help eliminate the bacteria that lead to bad breath, giving you a clean, fresh feeling that lasts longer than you might expect. Not only does baking soda help with freshening your breath, but it can also help keep your teeth healthy. As we get older, our teeth and gums may be more vulnerable to decay and gum disease. Using baking soda as part of your oral hygiene routine can help remove plaque and reduce the risk of cavities. If you're looking for a simple and inexpensive way to maintain good dental health, incorporating baking soda into your routine might just be the solution you've been looking for. Now let's move on to another issue many seniors face: foot problems. Over time, our feet can take a real beating. Whether it's from years of walking, wearing ill-fitting shoes, or simply the natural aging process, foot pain and odor can become a common concern. Fortunately, baking soda can help with both. Baking soda can help soothe foot pain caused by conditions like plantar fasciitis or general discomfort from long days on your feet. Simply soak your feet in warm water with a couple of tablespoons of baking soda. It helps reduce swelling, ease the discomfort, and relax your feet after a long day. Additionally, baking soda is great for eliminating foot odor, which is a common issue for many seniors. The powder works by neutralizing the acids and bacteria that cause the unpleasant smell, leaving your feet feeling fresh and clean. As you can see, baking soda is much more than just an ingredient for baking or cleaning. It's a versatile and affordable remedy that can help alleviate a variety of common health concerns as we age. From supporting kidney health to soothing sore feet, its benefits seem almost endless. In the next part, we'll explore even more ways that baking soda can improve your well-being and tackle some of the most common health issues that seniors face. Don't go anywhere, there's still plenty more to discover.
Now that we've covered kidney health, hydration, bad breath, and foot care, let's move on to another area where baking soda can make a real difference: reducing inflammation and pain in general. If you're like many seniors, you may experience inflammation in various parts of your body, whether it's in your joints, muscles, or even your internal organs. Chronic inflammation can lead to conditions like arthritis, heart disease, and even certain types of cancer. Baking soda can be a helpful tool in combating inflammation, thanks to its alkalizing effects. By balancing your body's pH and neutralizing excess acid, baking soda can help reduce inflammation and the pain that often accompanies it. One simple way to use it is by adding a teaspoon of baking soda to a warm bath. Soaking in this bath can help relax your muscles, relieve pain, and decrease swelling. It's a great way to unwind at the end of a long day, and the soothing effects will last long after you step out of the water. In addition to bathing, baking soda can also be used as a paste for localized pain relief.
if you have sore muscles or an inflamed joint, mixing baking soda with a little water to create a paste and applying it to the affected area can provide targeted relief. Let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes and then rinse it off. You'll feel the difference. Another important benefit of baking soda that's particularly helpful for seniors is its ability to help with urinary tract infections, or UTIs. UTIs are a common issue for older adults, especially women. The symptoms, painful urination, frequent need to go, and sometimes even fever, are certainly unpleasant. But there's good news. Baking soda can help. When you drink a mixture of baking soda and water, it can help alkalize your urine, creating an environment that's less hospitable to the bacteria that cause UTIs. To try it, simply dissolve a teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water and drink it once a day. It's a gentle, natural way to reduce the discomfort and even prevent infections from coming back. Of course, it's always important to consult your doctor if you think you have a UTI, but using baking soda can complement other treatments and help prevent them in the future. Speaking of bladder health, another concern that often comes up for seniors is frequent urinary incontinence. This is a sensitive topic, but it's something that many people experience as they get older. Whether it's due to weakened muscles or other health issues, urinary incontinence can interfere with daily life. The good news is that baking soda might be able to offer some relief here too. By balancing your pH levels and improving kidney function, baking soda can help regulate the body's water retention and bladder function. Drinking a small amount of baking soda dissolved in water daily can support your urinary tract health and help reduce the frequency of incontinence. It's a gentle, natural remedy to incorporate into your routine if you're dealing with this issue. Now, let's talk about another aspect of health that tends to get overlooked: mental clarity and focus. As we age, many of us notice that we're not as sharp as we used to be. We might forget things more easily or struggle with concentrating. Cognitive decline is a real concern for seniors, but luckily there are ways to help keep our minds sharp. Baking soda can actually play a role in improving cognitive function. Since it helps to neutralize excess acid in the body, it may also have a positive effect on brain health. Alkalizing the body can reduce oxidative stress, which is a major factor in cognitive decline. A study or two suggests that using baking soda can help improve memory and mental clarity. While it's not a magic solution, it's worth trying as part of an overall strategy to maintain brain health as you age. Finally, we can't forget about one of the most common complaints among seniors: fatigue. It's easy to feel tired all the time, especially when your energy levels are low and you've got aches and pains slowing you down. But a lack of energy doesn't have to be a permanent part of aging. One way to boost your energy is by using baking soda to help balance your body's acid levels. When your body is too acidic, it can lead to fatigue, sluggishness, and an overall lack of energy. Baking soda can help neutralize the acid and bring your body back to a more balanced state. By drinking a small amount of baking soda dissolved in water, you can help improve your energy levels and feel more vibrant throughout the day. Just be sure to avoid overdoing it and always listen to your body. A little goes a long way. As we wrap up, I want to remind you that the journey to better health doesn't need to be complicated. You don't need expensive treatments or elaborate plans. Sometimes the simplest solutions are the best. Baking soda, a humble kitchen staple, can address a wide range of issues, from joint pain to kidney health to cognitive function. By incorporating it into your daily routine in a safe and sensible way, you can experience significant improvements in your overall well-being. Remember, small changes can make a big difference in your health and happiness. So give baking soda a try and see how it works for you. If you have experiences or questions about using baking soda, feel free to share them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and advice on living your best life at any age. Here's to feeling better, living better, and embracing life with energy and joy at every stage. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.